Hey everybody, it's Dr. G, also known as Sunny, hopefully to you, my patients. Hey, I want to give you a quick tip on how to reduce anxiety fast, all right? We're going to use our breathing to do this. And it's really fast and easy. All it is 2 quick inhales through the nose and then a slow, long exhale, controlled exhale through the mouth. It can be through the nose, but it's a little bit easier to push your lips and blow out through your mouth slowly, okay? So it's just like this. Sniff, sniff, blow, okay? I'm blowing out. Blow out until all the air is gone. And when you're blowing out, you're going to try and just sink into your body and relax. This will activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and that's the opposite of your stress system. And it will help you to combat anxiety. And if you do this a few times in a row, you really are going to feel calmer. This can help things like asthma. This can help things like anxiety. It can help mood challenges. Anything that we can do to activate that rest and digest part of our nervous system is very helpful. So I hope that's been good. It's just sniff, sniff, blow, and relax. Sniff, sniff, blow, and blow away all that anxiety and try and relax. All right. Have a super day.